All right, so this is what we got here. This is the finished product here. Got a 9x8 door and an 18x8. 32-inch radius tracks here. All right, jack shaft operators. Now the power's not on, but with one of them, so I'm gonna press go. $100,000 cycle nylons, and the light's doesn't have power there, so the light's not on. But the motor is plugged in here with a extension cord. This is the auto lock, and I'll show you how this auto lock works. Boom! And there you go. That is a steel back door from Pro One Garage Doors here in Kannapolis, North Carolina. If you have any questions, just send us a comment. I'd be glad to answer any questions you might have, and thanks for watching.